Repeat after me. I am confident when I speak English. English words come easily to me. I understand English more and more every day. My English pronunciation is clear and natural. I enjoy learning and speaking English. I am becoming fluent in English. You are fluent. You are confident. Your English is growing stronger and stronger every day. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast, a podcast for intermediate level English listeners. Today, I want to talk about my cousin's graduation. My cousin graduated last week. His mom planned a huge event where she had every type of food you could think of at a fair. A fair is like a carnival with food like nachos, tacos, ice cream, and every type of candy that you can think of. My poor cousin had to take pictures with so many people. I'm sure his smile was aching by the end of it. But it was really nice seeing all of my cousins from my childhood. Me and my sister used to hang out with those cousins every day. We were best friends. We would spend every day together. So seeing them again was really nice. Check out my YouTube for more long podcasts. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about fake accounts. I have seen some fake accounts that are pretending to be me on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, and it's a little bit annoying because I get so many comments. It's annoying because that's my original content. I take my time and I put lots of care and love into my videos. So when someone else just copies and uploads my video, it kind of makes me angry. I don't get angry very often, but I would really appreciate if. So let's all try and be original and unique and not copy other people. What do you think? Do you think it would bother you if you were in my shoes? Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about my hairdo. My hairdo today is a braid on this side and a braid on this side. I love wearing braids. They feel so light and refreshing to wear. I also enjoy wearing my hair down, but sometimes I feel hot. So I put my hair up in a ponytail. And usually ponytails are an easy fix to feeling hot. But I can sometimes get a headache because my ponytail is too tight, or my bun is too tight. It pulls my hair back and I get a headache. So I prefer to wear braids, and I love getting my hair braided by my boyfriend or my friends or my mom. They are very good at braiding my hair. What's your favorite hairdo? Braids, ponytail, bun, or hair down? Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. I am the kind of person who loves self-talk. I love talking to myself every day. I like remembering how grateful I am for everything I have. So, I want you to join me today in thinking and feeling everything that makes you happy in your life. I am a positive person. I am the type of person who sees the glass half full, not half empty. What kind of person are you? Do you see the glass half full or half empty? I don't hold on to any negative feelings or grudges against other people. Grudges at the end of the day only hurt yourself. So feeling resentment or grudges against someone doesn't make any sense to me. So just let things go. Let things flow and be happy. I am happy. I am full. I am myself and nobody else. Repeat these affirmations every morning. And I have more affirmations on my YouTube channel.